Hey guys, Nikki here from Master Creative Photography, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create light rays. The first thing we're going to do is create a layer. You are going to select your polygonal lasso tool. And then you're going to create some light rays. Once you've created your shape, you will see the area is selected. You're going to go to your gradient tool. You're going to select foreground to transparent, and now you select your color. I'm going to select white. Click OK, and now you are going to drag your gradient tool from the top to the bottom of your selection. I'm going to set my blend mode to soft light. I'm going to deselect the area, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and now we just set a radius so that it blends the light rays into the rest of the image. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer. And if you right click on the layer, you get to select blending options. And I'm going to do color overlay. I'm going to change the color. If you click over here, you can select whatever color you want. I would go for a color that's in the image. Or, you can select whatever color you want. A nice warm orange. You're going to bring down the opacity, but it's going to add warmth to those light rays. I am going to create another layer. I'm going to do the process again, selecting my polygonal lasso tool. And so here's my next light ray. That I'm creating. Now that I've got the area selected, I go to my gradient tool. Remember again, foreground to transparent. And the color I'm going to select is a light yellow. Oh, there we go. That's a warm yellowish color. I'm going to drag from the top to the bottom of the selected area. Set my blend mode to soft light. Deselect. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and there we go. It just all depends. As you can see, the rays are a little bit more noticeable at a lower radius, whereas they blend in more at a higher radius. So it just depends what you're going for. Okay, great. And with my move tool, I can even move that light ray. let's have a look at now the before and after. If I hit the Alt key and my background icon, you'll be able to see the before and after. And it's amazing how just a little tweak like that can add so much more to the story. If I wanted to go in and edit out some of the light rays, I could just select the layer and add a mask, and with my black brush, just low and a low opacity, I could just go in there and just gently remove whatever I don't want. And there we go. That's how easy it is to add light rays. Let's take a look at the before and after again. So I hope you found that helpful and that you can then now incorporate that into your own images. Thanks for joining me, guys. Till next time. Cheers.